welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you this photo strip DIY that I did. I think this is such an adorable way to display your photo booth pictures. Sometimes you get a bunch of these and then you don't know what to do with them, but I think this is such a cute idea. So if you would like to know more about it, please keep watching. Before I get started, I would love it so much if you would go ahead and click the subscribe button. That really helps me. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I make new videos every single week and I put them out on Mondays. So let's get started. I've already got my frame deconstructed, and I'll just kind of show it to you really quickly. It's sort of annoying to take apart, so I didn't want to take time to do that. But this is my frame, and I actually need to finish cleaning the glass a little bit, but I got it from Target. It was fairly inexpensive. Hang on. Yeah, so I got it from Target. It was fairly inexpensive. It's a shadow, not a shadow box, but kind of a shadow box idea. I'll look up the exact name, and if I can find this one or one very similar, I'll link it below. And I looked up a lot of different ways that people do this because I figured, okay, I can't be the first or the only one to have the idea that I really want to display my photo booth strips. And I wasn't. And what I liked the best was when everybody kind of did it horizontally. But something that I noticed that I didn't expect is that I really prefer the black and white. So not all of my pictures were already black and white. Some of mine were color. These were color. And as you can see, there's some pretty bright colors here. And so I knew that they just weren't going to fit my vibe. And although I think they're super cute, I just wouldn't want to look at them as a part of my decor every day, even though that is the point of this project. So instead, I just went and I took the actual pictures, took them straight to Staples. Again, Staples is my best friend. And I just copied all of them. A good tip for you is if you have to make a copy of a color photo, or you're trying to, get a black and white version of color, that you definitely want to make it lighter. So I had to go 3 times lighter just because the color was so saturated. You couldn't really see everything that was going on when it was like that. So I cleaned off my glass, as clean as it's going to be for now. And I'm just sticking it in my frame. Comme ça. And now I'm just going to try to line up my pictures. So, like I said, I made some copies. I've got 2 that look like this of me and Evan. We took these on my birthday the other day. I thought they were so cute. I really like them. So I'm going to go ahead and separate them and cut off the bottom. Okay, so I got the bottoms off of these. And then my other ones, I'm going to leave the bottoms on, but I've got to cut them out. So here are the versions that I got, and I'm actually going to take the originals and trace around them just so I have a line so I know where to go. Got all my lines drawn. I'm just going to cut. I could have printed these on, cardstock or some kind of really hard thick paper, but I just went with what was in the copier, honestly, because I didn't want to take too much time. And I ended up printing 3 different versions of this just because I was trying to figure out how light I wanted to do it. It was 35 cents, so I would say that was affordable. Okay. Alright, so now I've got my pieces, and I'm going to see how I want them to look. So actually, I'm just going to set them up on the glass, but I'm going to have them facing me to start with. So I know I've got 2 that are the same, and then 3 that are different, and I'm going to alternate those. 2 of mine also have 2 people, or 4 of mine have 2 people, and 1 of mine has a ton of people. So that one with a ton of people, I think, should go in the middle just so that it looks balanced. Now it's time to stagger them. So I like that. I think it looks really cute. I'm going to flip them over and drop the glass in. Literally going to flip them right where they are. And I kind of made them staggered and tried not to give them too many straight lines, just because I don't want anything to look off. If you purposefully sort of off-center things, I think that definitely helps. And now the tricky part, getting them to not move. Huh. Okay, let's see what we think. Oh, it's cute! Yeah, I like it. Okay, so let's just close the back. I really like it. I think it turned out great. Here comes the exit. And it was super quick too, which is nice. There we go. So here is my little DIY. Guys, I hope that you so enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, I would love it if you give me a thumbs up. If you use any of these ideas or this inspires you to do something totally different but with your strips, please comment below and let me know and send me a picture on Instagram. You can find me at Delise Germond. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this. Have a great day. Bye.